This program literally changed my life and is changing my life. Look, I've been trying to make money online time after time, trying this program, that program, trying so many programs. Then I came across Done For You services, and I'm not going to lie, I was a little skeptical. Because I tried so many programs. You don't understand. I tried so many programs, but I ran into this. I gave it a try. I looked at the webinar, gave it a try. They said they would do everything for you. They would do step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. They would do everything for you. And guess what? They did everything for me. They built my landing page. They built my website. They set up my my ad marketing. They set up my Google ads, my YouTube ads. They set up everything. And then they show you how to do some organic. They do everything for you. But the best part is, now, I've only been in this program for a little over a week now. So I'm fairly new. But the best part is, I didn't get any sales on the first day. I didn't get any sales on the second day. But on that third day, I got my first sale. That fourth day, I got my next sale. And then from there on, I just been getting sales. And if you don't believe me, because trust me, I'm a smart guy. I know you guys are smart too. You know, you want to see proof. All right. So I got my computer here, right? And I hope you guys can see it. Sorry if it's kind of blurry and backwards due to the camera, but that says a little over $600 in sales. Okay, proof. And I had to show you proof because I know I'm the type of person that I like to see proof. Somebody's telling me something work. Well, show me proof. How is it working? I'm just taking your word for it. I don't know it's working, but Done For You services by Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin and Ariella is definitely a service that you want to get in. Trust me, it is worth it. Then you also get into the Facebook group, and the Facebook group has some of the best people that help you. You can network with these guys. Some of these people have been in business for years, 5 years plus. So network with these guys and ladies, and they'll teach you some of the most awesome stuff of how to monetize the money that you are making. Look, if I were you and you trying to make money online, check Wesley Virgin out, check Ariella, and look into the program, which is the Done For You services. It works. I'm telling you, it works and it's worth it. Look, now that I gave you proof and you want to get into this program, I'll put the link in the description below. Sign up, check it out, and thank me later. And just like Wesley say, he tell us all the time. You don't get what you want in life. You get what you picture. So picture something different.